Welcome to my office, away from my office. I'm chilling here in the Panera Bread in Vallejo, California. Just trying to document my little process regarding my first data analytics project to be the capstone to my Google Data Analytics certificate that I'm getting through Merit America's bootcamp. So I had a little bit of consternation about settling on a project, and just the word settling kind of gives you a mirror or a window into what it felt like to sift through like the options. In the end, I've been working as a notary public for the past almost 6 years. This coming September, October, right? And that's been the main means of, bringing in revenue, to support and sustain the life that I am directing, knowing that it's going to be an avenue towards something greater. Hence, I'm in this program that I'm about to complete with this project. So, with my accounting software, Notary Gadget, I have 5.5 years of data. Several thousand, loan signings done across all over the Bay Area, different types of loans, for different pay rates, right? And I can download some CSV files from there. So that is what I chose to focus on for my project, to explore where I've spent my time doing assignments, what cities, which county, what days of the week, which companies that I've been working with are the ones that are that have been, I guess you could say, critical to my business. So then I can, apply more, gain insights, see the effects of doing a program for 20 weeks has had, when I've had to choose either studying or joining, group meetings on Slack and in Zoom, versus just accepting the signings I would normally accept if I was not in a data analytics bootcamp. So yesterday I spent about 96 minutes identifying my business question, cleaning my data set, making some tweaks to it. Making some tweaks to it once I realized that there were some misspellings in some of the cities. And then when I uploaded to Tableau, then I noticed hey, if I had the county information there, like city and county, I can create a better story by allowing or giving the opportunity for whoever works on my viz to go from the county to the city to the client to the day, or whoever that is going to be mapped out in the visualization, via filters. So I'm doing this, I'm acquiring this county information. Well, really I had 3 ways to do it. One, I could do it manually, which would be, I guess you could say, about half an hour worth of work, but you do it once and it's done. 2, I could create an inner join, or I can join the CSV files that I've uploaded into Tableau, using zip code or zip code 1 as the point of connecting the data sets, and then going by county name to use those as a dimension. Just play around with how the visualization comes about, map versus bar chart, etc. The other one could be do VLOOKUP in Excel. More than likely I'm going to do that as well, just to see what works best, or to experiment. And then the third would be to just go ahead and just input the data myself. I live in the Bay Area, so it's not hard for me to determine if a city is in Alameda County, Marin County, Napa County, Contra Costa County, etc. So I'm going to continue on that process next. But I wanted to just capture, document, this process and upload it to this video on YouTube and then post this bad boy on LinkedIn, where hopefully this is where you are actually watching it. So thank you for tuning in. This has been Isaac Pedrano, Data Analyst, working on my first project. Let me just pull up the name of it. Let me see. Yes, Business Efficiency Analysis for Notary Signing Agent. Another working title is Optimizing Business Efficiency as a Notary Signing Agent. Not too shabby, right? Okay. Until next time, peace.